Hello my dear students, a very good morning to all of you. So in the previous class we have already finished our chapter number 7. So today we are going to continue with the chapter number 8, that is learning MS Word. So first let us see what is MS Word. So MS Word stands for Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a word processing software. In short, it is called MS Word. It is an application program that helps us to type text documents like letters, poems and essay. We can also store and print these documents. MS Word provides many options to make changes in the document we work on. So, what is MS Word? MS Word or Microsoft Word is an application program. It allows you to write anything, to type letters which you need to send to your friends, to your relatives. You can write poems, you can also write an essay. It means if you want to write anything that is a text based, you can use Microsoft Words to type it. After typing any of the letter, poem or essay, you can also save it into your computer so that you can use it later on when you want. Okay, so for example, if you are typing a letter, if you are typing something, a file or a message, then you have to save it. You have to keep it or store it into your computer so that when you want to see that message, that letter again, you can simply open it and see it. No need of typing it again and again. So Microsoft Word allows you to type the text documents, to store it, to keep it safe and also to print that documents. For example, if you want that letter, that message or that text document, you can take out a hard copy of it. It means on paper you can get the thing which you have written into your computer. So that is called a print. Print, it means getting a hard copy on paper. MS Word also provides many options to make changes in the documents we work on. For example, you have already finished writing a document. Now you want to modify it. You want to change that document, that typed document. Then you can also change it. It means MS Word also provide you an option to modify or make changes in your document which you have typed. Now let us see how to start Microsoft Word. The various steps to open Microsoft Word 2010 are listed below. First, you have to click on the Start button. Then select all programs in that. Click on Microsoft Office and then click on Microsoft Word 2010 and you will see that an MS Word window will get opened. Okay, so let us see it practically. So first step is to go to Start button, that is available here, and then you have to click on all programs available here. So when you will click on all programs, you will see that again a menu will get appeared. So from that you have to select Microsoft Office and finally you have to select Microsoft Office 2010 from it. And you will see that a Microsoft Word will get opened in front of you. So this is a screen of Microsoft Word. Okay, so this is a screen of Microsoft Word that have it look. So when you will open MS Word 2010, like that screen will open in front of you. It contains various options like a title bar, then a menu bar, a ribbon, a cursor is available. This is a vertical ruler. This is a horizontal ruler. This is the text area where you can type anything. These are the scroll bars to move up and down in the document. Okay, so various parts of Microsoft Word are there. Okay, so which allows you or which help you to type your document, to type your text and make it more attractive and impressive. Okay, so now we will quickly revise what we have studied today. So first we have seen an introduction of MS Word. What is an MS Word? Why it is used? Then we have seen how to start Microsoft Word 2010 in your computer. And finally we have seen a screen that how a Microsoft Word looks. Now the topic is of parts of Microsoft Word window. So about that we will see in our next class. Okay, so like title bar, ribbon, vertical ruler, horizontal ruler. So these are the parts or components of the Microsoft Word window. So the components or the parts of Microsoft Word we will see in our next class. For now, bye-bye. Study well, revise everything well. Have a great day ahead.